Today we are doing for oil reset 2019 E-Class Coupe E450. So first of all, we like to ignition on number 1 position, then the back button and this home button. This back button and this home button. This back button in 3 seconds. Same time press it on OK button. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. It's coming like that. Vehicle data, dynamometer test, brake pad replacement, acid plus. So the OK button to make down, touch smoothly. Acid plus, let them to make OK. Then showing on ignition on to active switch on ignition to put ignition switch to number 2 position. Then you will get message for service data, full service. Go down, full service, then OK. Then make sure going to down, confirm service. Then press OK. 229.5 for oil grade. Make OK. Make sure down, yes. Confirm, yes. Now service done. Okay. You can make sure one more. Service reset is come or no. Let's make sure. Go to home button. Go C plus. Go to service, then make OK, then come down, acid plus, make OK, service in 353 days for 1 year. Thanks for watching.